If you see you have been blocked on Discord, it means that someone has blocked you and you cannot contact them anymore. You've been blocked from a server, you might have been banned by an admin, or Discord has restricted your account, and this could be due to policy violations. And here's how you can handle this situation. If a user has blocked you, meaning that you cannot send messages and they won't see your interactions, respect their decision and refraining from contacting them through other means. So if you're blocked from a server, meaning that you may have been banned or you've been kicked. So check the rules to see if you've broken rules or regulations over there. And you can also contact a moderator, admin through other channels to discuss your situation. Join a similar server if rejoining isn't possible. And if Discord blocked your account may have been flagged for policy violations. So check your email from Discord for other details. And also submit an appeal on the Discord support page. Secure your account by changing your password and enabling two-factor authentication. And follow the Discord's rules and guidelines. Be respectful and avoid spamming or arguments. And don't use unauthorized bots or engage in spamming. And also do not forget to keep your personal information private. So this was all about it. If you found this guide informative, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel.